I've shown this website in previous videos and how you can use it to like calibrate your joysticks. And some of you may also know that I'm part of the moderation team for their Discord server. In the Discord server, people frequently share that they have like a defective controller. Well, I mean, of course, most notably with stick drift, simply because that's what the community has been brought together by. But there are also many other like talented repair technicians in the community. Like there are hobbyists, there are repair stores, both smaller ones and larger established ones. I see this as an opportunity where we can help each other out as a community, more than just with online calibration. So that's why we, the moderation team, created a repair technician program. Basically, we want to build a network of repair technicians worldwide with the idea that we have at least one repair technician in every region or state or country, you name it. And the ultimate goal is that whenever someone has an issue in the server, and you can read it with my cat, whenever someone at the server has a broken controller, no matter where they are from, there's at least one person nearby that they can go to or that they can ship the controller to, like someone more local to them. And these are going to be verified repair technicians. They have this blue role in the Discord server. And yes, there is a verification process. So we don't give out the repair technician role to anyone asking for it. We want to do our best at protecting the community members, so we only accept the people who we can trust, that don't have ill intent and that actually have the proper skills to repair your electronics. For example, we expect that the majority of the repair requests are going to be stick drift related. So soldering skills is a must. We will ask proof that you can solder. We also have some other requirements, but as time goes on, we may define these, so it may not be accurate when you're watching this, so I'm not gonna go too in depth in it. And additionally, we also have a minimum warranty policy that repair technicians must follow, or that they should provide for their customers. It's a minimum warranty policy, so they can, instead of 3 months, they can do 6 months or 1 year warranty. That's up to them. Now, I personally don't care if you want to copy these policies for your other customers that you get from other sources. Maybe you have your own storefront, or you get them from Instagram, whatever you name it. If you want to copy the policies, it's fine. You can do it. But the ones you get from this community, we do expect that you provide these policies as a minimum. And if you want to increase that, so if you want to extend the warranty period, feel free to do so. So we have a channel as well for all the guidelines. You can read more on the requirements, the warranty policies, and how you can apply. If anything changes at all, you can also see that right here. So we started this program last year without promoting it much, and so far we've had a handful of people that were referred to one another via the server. There are 2 ways for you as a community member to find a repair technician close to you. We have a channel for profiles where you can just Control F and search for the country, or just scroll through it if you want. And we also have a forum where you can post a thread asking or requesting for a repair close to you. Just name what country you're from and what the defect is and what console or controller it is, or other electronics. And someone hopefully will reply to you. We've had a couple already that we helped this way as well. And of course, at the end, you can also leave a review if you want. So if you are a repair technician, I highly encourage you to join the server if you haven't already, and apply for the role. Together we could establish a larger network in as many countries as possible and have more outreach that can really help the community, not just online through open source software for calibration, also with physical defects. And I think that's a huge next step in the server. I also have to be realistic. You shouldn't expect daily or weekly customers from the server, mainly because it hasn't been promoted as much. I hope that this video will change that there will be more people coming in. But this shouldn't be our main source of customers. You can treat this more as like something extra, like a help to the community and for everyone else, for all the gamers. If you need a repair or you think you may need it in the future, or perhaps you want something like TMR joysticks in your controllers, it's actually in very high demand recently. I hope we can be of help, that someone in the server is more local to you. The link for the server will be in the description, and I'll also pin it in the top comments. So I'm looking forward to welcome you there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.